Circle Theorem, and we're going to look at Theorem 1, right? And I hope that you are already familiar with some concepts of a circle, right? So what we're going to be doing today, the first theorem that we're going to be looking at is this one here. It states that the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference standing on the same arc. So basically what we are saying, so we have the arc AB. So AB is the arc. Now, what we are simply saying is that the angle at the center, so notice this angle starts at A, goes to O, then goes to B. This other angle also starts at A, goes to C, and goes to B. But the angle C is at the circumference of the circle. So basically what we are saying is that the angle that is at the center is twice the angle at the circumference when the angles are standing on the same arc AB. Alright, so basically that's what that is saying. So therefore, if this angle in the center is 2x, then this angle is x. So here's an example. And we're going to apply that concept here. We said that we have to calculate the size of angle ACB. So we want the size of this angle here. Now, using this theory, we say that the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference standing on the same arc. So basically what we are simply saying, if this angle AOB is equal to 140, then it means it is twice the size of this angle here. So let's go. So AOB is equal to 2 times ACB. Okay? So if AOB is equal to 140 degrees and angle ACB, is equal to x. So therefore, we have 140 is equal to 2x. Then it simply means if I divide both sides by 2, then angle x is equal to 140 divided by 2, which is equal to 70 degrees. Now, I know you are good at division, so therefore, we know that we don't necessarily have to do this. Once you recognize that the angle at the center is always twice the angle at the circumference standing on the same arc. So basically, if this is 140 degrees, then this angle is going to be a half this angle here. Therefore, it's going to be half of 140 is going to be equal to 70. So basically, that's one theorem. There's also another theorem. And let's look at the same theorem that says that the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference standing on the same arc. So basically we are still looking at the same question, but here we have a triangle within the circle. And this triangle, this line AB is a diameter. Why is AB a diameter? Because it passes through the center. How do you know that it passes through the center? We label it O. So once you're looking at questions like this and you see O, then you recognize at the center that the line passes through the center. Now, using the same theorem, we say calculate the angle at the center. The angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference standing on the same arc. So from A to B, we realize here that this is a straight line. And angles on a straight line equal to angles on a straight line equal to 180 degrees. So this angle here is actually 180 degrees. So if this angle is 180 degrees and taking, using this concept that says that the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference, then it means that this angle here is going to be 90 degrees. Why is it going to be equal to 90 degrees? ACB is equal to half AOB. So therefore half times 180 is equal to 90 degrees. So therefore this angle is equal to 90 degrees. However, this theorem could also be written. This theorem could also be stated in a different way, which would say that the angles in a semicircle is equal to 90 degrees. How do we know it is a semicircle again? Because this line, which is a diameter, divides the circle into two semicircles. And therefore, we are saying that the angle in a semicircle is equal to 90 degrees standing on the same arc. Okay, basically that. So here we have looked at two theorems. In subsequent videos, we will be looking at other theorems. And I hope that you follow the series as we go through circle theorem so that you can gain a better understanding of circle theorem, so that you can, whenever you see these questions in your exams, you will be able to, as you come to this channel to learn, to get a deeper understanding of